Today I want to show you a signature dish of Sardinia, Malloreddus alla Campidanese, Gnocchetti Sardi served with a slow-cooked sausage ragu. Pan on a medium-low heat, and I'm gonna go with a good drizzle of olive oil. And then going straight with the onions. Add a pinch of salt, give it a stir, and cook them slowly. I'm gonna chop the sausages like this into small bite-sized pieces. The onions, they look nice and soft. Now I'm gonna go in with the sausages and the fennel seeds. Now it's time for white wine. You can use any wine, but in Sardinia we use Vermentino. Here I have a nice color with the sausages, the fennel seeds. Look at that, beautiful. Now we're going with the wine. The wine has cooked off, so go in with the tomato sauce. Rinse the tomato tin with a little bit of water and then go in. There is one more ingredient that go into this ragu, and it's the Sardinian gold, saffron. Today I'm using saffron powder. Give it a good stir and slow cook it on a medium-low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. In Italy, we like to pair certain type of sauces with particular shape of pasta. And this sauce today, it goes with Gnocchetti Sardi, also called Malloreddus. You can see that the dough is made from durum with semolina, which is very good for you. And look at those ridges. Those ridges, they're gonna hold the sauce beautifully. Water is boiling, so salt goes in and the pasta goes. Taste and adjust the ragu for seasoning. Ragu is ready, pasta is ready, we're gonna bring them together. And then don't forget to add a ladle of pasta water. Keep cooking it on a medium-low heat and carry on stirring it until the sauce is gonna start holding into the pasta. The nuttiness of the pasta match beautifully with the sweetness of the ragu, and the fennel seeds is perfect. And to finish the proper Sardinian way, a little bit of pecorino cheese on top. And if you give this one a go, you will understand why this is one of the signature dishes of Sardinia.